Hello, today we're going to be making cherry crumble bars. These bars have a crumbly top and a sponge base with streaks of jam inside. So now, let's go and see how to make it. Heat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease and line the tin. For the topping, sieve the flour into a bowl, stir in the oats, seed and sugar. Next, put the butter in a saucepan and heat it until it's just melted. Remove the pan from the heat and carefully pour the butter all over the ingredients in the bowl. Use a fork and stir everything together. Then put the bowl in the fridge to chill while making your mixture for the sponge. Now for the sponge. Sieve the flour, cinnamon powder, baking powder, salt in a big bowl. Stir in the sugar. Now in a bowl with the milk, add the baking soda, give it a stir, add the vinegar. Then add the butter and give it a mix again. Finally add the sour cream and give it a final stir. Pour the wet mixture to the dry ingredients and mix it all together once it's well combined. Spoon the mixture into the tin. Using the spoon, push the mixture to the corners of the tin. Pour some jam on the batter and spread it across so that it's an even layer. When the top of the sponge is almost covered with jam, take the toppings out of the fridge and break it up and sprinkle it evenly over the sponge. Bake this for 40 minutes at the same temperature. Leave the tin to cool before you cut the bars. The links to the products that we used in this video are going to be down in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And if you do like this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for future notifications. As always, happy baking!